Hey guys, how y'all doing today? Today we're going to cook these country style ribs out on the old Weber. And all these are is just pork shoulder butt that's been cut up. Alright, right here's all our meat. I just put them on this pan so we can get them seasoned up. And I'm going to season them up with the poto rub. Now this is a rub that I made. You can use any kind of rub that you would like to put on it. We're just going to get it all seasoned up here. We want to make sure we get it all around, fully covered on all sides. Really, really good. Can't have too much rub, really. Just like that. So, alright, I got them all rubbed down real good with the poto rub. Now I'm just going to probably cover these up. I'm going to put them in the refrigerator. I'm going to let them sit in the fridge for a couple hours just to let all those good flavors get in there. We're rolling at about 213 right now, so we're going to go ahead and put them on. But we're going to shoot for a temperature between about 225 and 250. I got my coals banked up over here. I lit about 10 coals put on this side. Then I just layered some cherry wood and some hickory wood right over here. And I got my damper. It's just barely open, maybe a quarter of an inch or so. We're going to put the ribs on here. Man, this is going to be mighty fine, I tell you. Got all the ribs on there. We're going to hit it again with the poto rub. This rub right here is pretty good. It's a little bit sweet. It's got a little bit of heat to it. Just get a little bit more of that rub on there. Just like that. I'm going to put the lid on it. I'm going to let it cook for probably an hour or so, and we'll come back and check on it. Now we're going to make a sauce for our ribs. I'm going to use apple jelly. I'm going to use, this is a 18-ounce jar. I'm going to put half of this jar in there. And I'm just going to use this is about 3/4 of a bottle of Sticky Fingers Carolina Sweet. I'm going to go ahead and dump this whole bottle in here. Now I'm going to take some of this apple cider right here. And I just filled the Sticky Fingers bottle about a quarter of the way up. Shook it up to get all that barbecue sauce out of it. Gonna dump that in there too. Also, we'll go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of the poto rub in it. Just a little bit. Maybe a teaspoon or so. We're gonna give that a stir. We're just gonna let that heat up. Alright, our sauce is done. I just heated it up until everything come together. Just for about 5-10 minutes or so. Now I'm going to pull this off. These have been cooking for about 2.5 hours. They're looking mighty fine. I'm going to go ahead and pull them off. Put them in this aluminum pan. And I'll meet you all in the house. Now, we're going to take that sauce that we made and just pour all over the top of them. And I'm just going to move them around, make sure everything gets coated. Got it all coated nice, and now we're going to cover it with some aluminum foil. I put 2 layers of foil on it. Got it wrapped up nice and tight. And we're going to put them back on the grill. Put the lid on it. We're going to let them continue to cook because we want them nice and fall apart tender. So they'll probably cook for probably another couple more hours. We've been going about 1.5 hours or so with the foil on there. I'm going to go ahead and remove this foil. Woo! Hot. Hot, hot, hot. Alright, and they're starting to get tender. I just checked them. But I'm going to let them cook for probably about another 30-45 minutes with the lid off, or, you know, with the aluminum foil off. Put the lid back on. Their style ribs are done. There's what they look like. Let's give them a try. This one right here has got a bone in it. Let's try it out. Yes, yes, yes. That is mighty fine. Look at that right there. Look at that smoke ring. This is some leftover potatoes I had from yesterday. Alright, there you have it. Country style ribs. Smoked out on the Weber. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.